Hello everybody, it's Carly from cookingwithcarly.com and welcome back to my channel or to my channel. Here we talk all things Crumbl cookies, cookies in general, copycat recipes, tips for making cookies. We just love all things sweet. So if you're here for the first time, welcome, subscribe if you would like, if you like cookies too. And I think it was time to just get going right into it. So comment below which cookie from this week's cookies you'd like me to recreate a recipe for so you can make them all the time in your kitchen. And I have to say, sorry, the lights are on, lighting's not great. I'm a little warm because it is seriously a gloomy day outside and like gloomiest of gloomies. So dark. So we're just dealing with the lights today. Okay, the 4 cookies I'm really excited about this week. So I'll show you the cookies and tell you about them and then we'll taste test them. So this first one is a Halloween version of their Circus Animal cookie. So it's a sugar cookie base that has orange and black sprinkles in it. This is melted white chocolate on the top and then has the little Circus Animal cookie in the center. So a lot of people like this one because it's not loaded with frosting like most of their other cookies are. So I'm excited to try it. I have never tried that one before. This is the pumpkin roll cookie. It's feeling like very similar to their other pumpkin cookies. So it's just a pumpkin based cookie. Has like a cinnamon and sugar crumbly stuff on top. And then the frosting swirl. Whoa. I don't know if it's cream cheese or vanilla glaze swirl. I'll be sure to let you know when I taste it. This is the monster cookie and I'm so excited about this because I love monster cookies. So what this is, it is a peanut butter oatmeal cookie. Then it has semi-sweet chocolate, M&Ms, and like peanut butter chips in it. So it's like a peanut butter chocolate deliciousness. I'm really excited about that. I love monster cookies. And last but not least is their dirt cake cookie. Well, that just all fell off. Their dirt cake cookie. It is an Oreo cookie base, chocolate fudge frosting on top, little gummy worm. We've got some like Oreo crumbs on top, and then I think they call it like chocolate streusel or something. They're like bigger pieces of chocolate, something or other on that. So all of these are served warm this week. I usually am a fan of cold cookies. In fact, I usually store all of my leftover cookies in the fridge because I like them chilled, but these are all served warm today. All right, are we ready? Let's break these in half. See if I can break it like in half and half. Take a peek at these. So you can see there's definitely the sprinkles all throughout. It's not just on the outside. And take a taste. This white chocolate is very white. You know, some white chocolate is not like, it's kind of like an off-white. That's good. Not like a favorite, like this is earth-shattering, amazing. But it's good. Oh, I didn't mention this at the beginning, but I have chocolate all over my hands. I aim to give good, honest reviews of these cookies so that way you can watch these videos and know if you yourself should go buy these cookies. So would I buy this one again? Probably not. But I am more of like the exciting cookie type where I like the frostings, I like the toppings, I like the fillings. But if you just like a basic like sugar cookie, that's a really good sugar cookie, and the white chocolate does elevate it a little bit, but it's nothing like magical to me. But if you're not a frosting person, you would really, really like this. I'm gonna go get a napkin, like real fast. Should have grabbed one of those from the get-go. Okay, next up, let's do the pumpkin roll. So we've got the nice pumpkin can smell the pumpkin for sure. It's like pumpkin bread or pumpkin muffin or something like that. Super light and airy, but that's just kind of something you get when you bake with pumpkin. It's kind of hard to get this super chewy texture with pumpkin. So first I'm gonna just taste the frosting. It's cream cheese. Cream cheese frosting. So it's definitely pumpkin-y, obviously, but it's more spicy. Like you can even see, I don't know if you can see, it's focusing on my face. Like the spices throughout there. So we're talking like nutmeg, allspice, probably pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon. Like it's very spicy, which is not really my thing. So it kind of tastes like a soft pumpkin-y ginger snap. It's not really my thing. I don't love that, but if you love like the spicy fall flavors, pumpkin flavors, you would like this. Especially if you like this soft, fluffy texture. Like I said, it reminds me more of like a bread or a muffin than like a chewy cookie, which is different from most of their cookies. Most of their cookies have that nice chewy texture. Okay. The monster cookie. Oh boy, it's gonna fall apart. It's breaking. It's definitely warm and soft. That's evident. Okay, taking a bite. This is what dreams are made of. And if you just had Hilary Duff from Liz McGuire movie, hey now, in the back of your head, we are the same age. We grew up watching the same movies. The peanut butter base is not overpowering peanut butter. It has a nice crisp to it. It's not super dense. And the peanut butter doesn't like coat your mouth. You know how some peanut butter cookies, like you can hardly chew, hardly breathe, hardly talk. It's not this cookie at all. I really like the semi-sweet. It cuts through the sweetness of the peanut butter and the peanut butter chips. It's a really nice addition. I give that one. That one's a good one. I love monster cookies, so that's a good monster cookie. I'll probably be making that one just because I want to make it. And last but not least, the dirt cake cookie. So it looks like this. Sorry, I should show you. Looks like this Oreo cookie was rolled in Oreo crumbs, possibly, just from the feel of the cookie. Okay, here we go. The frosting is good. Cream cheese in the frosting. You can taste like the tanginess. It's different from their chocolate cake frosting or like their chocolate cupcake frosting. It's more cream cheesy than that. The cookie base tastes just like an Oreo. And if you're curious on the color, so the color of the cookie is like black. It's like an Oreo. That is from black cocoa. So you can order black cocoa on Amazon. That's where I ordered mine to make the cookie base of the Oreo cookie. I have the like chocolate Oreo, so it's the Oreo cookie with the vanilla cream cheese frosting. I have that recipe on my site, and it uses a black cocoa. So that's the same cookie base, it just has a different frosting. Okay, overall, it's probably a tie for my favorite. I probably have to go with the peanut butter monster cookie. That's probably my favorite this week. Close second is the dirt cake, and then the Circus Animal, and then the pumpkin. That's what I would say are my overall rankings for this week. I don't feel like there are like any duds per se. I feel like it was a good week. Now, let's talk about tomorrow. So usually on Tuesdays I have a new recipe video drop, but this week I'm doing something a little bit different. This last weekend I went a little crazy and I made 4 different kinds of Crumbl copycat cookie recipes, but made them festive for Halloween. So I just filmed a quick little video, it's like 5 minutes long, explaining to you what I did, showing you the cookies, and how to make 4 of the existing recipes that I have on my site festive for Halloween. So we go over the chocolate Oreo, the sugar birthday cake, and what was the last one? Oh, the original chocolate chip one. That was the last one. So I teach you how to make all of those festive for Halloween so you can take them to your Halloween parties, school, work, for yourself, any and all the things. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And I think that's all I've got for you. So that'll be coming tomorrow. I hope you enjoy these cookies. Let me know in the comments below which one you're excited about, which one I should make the recipe for, and I will just get on that as fast as I can. That's all. We'll see you next time, guys.